This video tutorial I will explain how to create the user and assign the role as user admin for a single database in MongoDB. Using create user command, we can create the user. db.createUser, username is Peter, password is password, and role for Peter user is user admin, and DB parameter is bookDB. So Peter user has administrative privileges to book database. So Peter user can add new user in book database, modify a user in book database, and drop user in book database. Next we will see how to create the user. Start the MongoDB server without authentication. Start the Mongo client. Switch to bookDB. db.getUsers to check any users are there in bookDB. Currently no users are there. Next we will create the user. db.createUser, username is Peter, password is password, and role is user admin, and DB parameter is bookDB. And user is successfully created with the role user admin. Here you can see. Close this window and start the MongoDB server with authentication. And here you can see authorization enabled. Start the Mongo client. Switch to bookDB. db.getUsers. And here we got error saying there are no users to authenticated. So without authenticated, we cannot execute any command. So we will see how to authenticate. db.auth, username is Peter, and password is password. And it is successfully authenticated. Now we execute the command db.getUsers, and now we got the output. So without authentication, we cannot execute any command. Now I have opened Studio 3T client for MongoDB. Click on new connection. Connection name I am giving localhost. And MongoDB server, we have enabled authentication. Select this. Select legacy. Username is Peter, and password is password. And authentication DB is bookDB. Test connection, and it is connected successfully. Suppose if you give wrong password, then connection is failed. I am giving correct password. Click on save. Connect. If you see, the user Peter has successfully logged into book database, but he cannot see the collection documents and modify the documents because the user Peter has administrative privileges, but he does not have read-write permission or read-write privileges. To enable read-write permission, we have to add one more role to the Peter user, which is read-write role. we will see how to add read-write role to user Peter. Using db.grant roles to user command, we can add one more role to the user Peter. So here db.grant roles to user, username is Peter and role is read write and db parameter is bookdb. And one more role is successfully added to user Peter. We can check using db.getUsers command. And here you can see for the user Peter, two roles are there. One is user admin, another one is read write. Disconnect, connect again. This time you can see the collection categories and categories documents. And if you want to edit any document, select the document, click on edit and modify the document. Click on update and you can view the changes. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.